In the far northeast of India, where the sun first touches the land, lies Arunachal Pradesh, the land of dawn-lit mountains. This is a realm of cloud-wreathed peaks, emerald forests, and ancient rivers, largely untouched and mysterious. For centuries, it has remained one of the world's least explored frontiers, sheltering rare wildlife and unique cultures. Here, nature shapes every tradition and belief, and each valley cradles communities with their own languages and customs. Our journey takes us to two hidden jewels, Mechuka and Ziro, living museums of natural and cultural heritage. We'll see how people have adapted ingeniously, creating sustainable societies deeply connected to the earth. Through the artistry of claymation, we'll bring these landscapes and their people to life, revealing the magic within these remote valleys. This is an invitation to explore, learn, and be inspired by a world thriving quietly, far from the rush of modern life. Our first stop is Mechuka, a secluded Himalayan valley that feels untouched by time. The journey is long and challenging, but the reward is a serene expanse of green meadows, snow-capped peaks, and the crystal-clear Yagyapchu River. Wooden houses dot the valley, horses graze freely, and the air is crisp with the scent of pine. The Member, Bokar, and Ramo communities have lived here for centuries, their lives woven with the rhythms of nature. At the heart of Mechuka stands the ancient Samten Yongcha Monastery, its prayer flags fluttering as a beacon of Tibetan Buddhism. The monastery is the spiritual heart of the valley, a place of history, art, and deep connection to the land. In Mechuka, life moves to the pace of the seasons, sustained by tradition and the enduring spirit of its people. South of Mechuka lies Ziro Valley, a lush, flat expanse surrounded by pine-clad hills and home to the Apatani people. Ziro is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its harmony between people and nature. The Apatani are renowned for their ingenious wet rice and fish farming system, managed without animals or machines. Their villages, built from bamboo and wood, cluster on higher ground, maximizing fertile land for cultivation. Once known for distinctive facial tattoos and nose plugs, the Apatani now preserve their heritage through strong community bonds and sustainable practices. Bamboo groves, carefully managed, provide essential resources for daily life. This holistic approach to land and resource management reflects a deep understanding of local ecology. Ziro Valley stands as a testament to human ingenuity and respect for the natural world. In Mechuka and Ziro, daily life is a dance with nature. Mornings begin early. Families tend rice paddies or guide herds to pasture. Children learn by doing, and women weave vibrant textiles dyed with local plants. Every task is purposeful, rooted in tradition and a deep connection to the land. Community is everything. Villages unite to build homes, harvest crops, and celebrate together. Evenings bring families around the hearth, sharing stories, songs, and wisdom passed down through generations. These quiet moments keep culture alive, binding the past to the present. Here, work, community, and tradition create a life of profound richness and meaning. Arunachal Pradesh's spirit shines brightest during its vibrant festivals. In Ziro, the Apatani celebrate Mayoko and Dre, festivals of friendship, fertility, and gratitude for the land. Rituals, feasts, and folk dances unite villages, while priests chant ancient incantations and women offer cucumbers for prosperity. In Mechuka, Losar marks the Tibetan New Year with prayers, masked dances, and music echoing through the valley. Traditional instruments crafted from bamboo and animal hide fill the air with melodies inspired by nature. Folk songs tell stories of ancestors, love, and the land, passed down through generations. These festivals are more than celebrations. They are living expressions of the people's bond with nature and each other. Music and dance are woven into every gathering, echoing the rhythms of the valleys. Through festival and song, the culture of Arunachal Pradesh endures. The forests of Mechuka and Ziro are sanctuaries for rare wildlife, thanks to their untouched landscapes. Elusive red pandas, clouded leopards, Himalayan black bears, and takins roam these hills, signaling a healthy ecosystem. Bird life is spectacular. Over 500 species, including hornbills and the vibrant Blyth's tragopan, fill the skies. Rivers teem with golden mahseer and playful otters, while rare orchids and medicinal plants thrive on the forest floor. Rhododendrons paint the hillsides in spring, adding bursts of color to the wilderness. This biodiversity is a living treasure, vital to India's natural heritage and the planet's future. Protecting these wilds means preserving a library of life for generations to come. Mechuka and Ziro remind us what's at stake in our changing world. These valleys are fragile ecosystems and living cultural landscapes, sustained by indigenous wisdom and respect for nature. Modern pressures, roads, tourism, and changing lifestyles threaten their delicate balance. Responsible tourism and empowering local communities are essential to protect their heritage. The Apatani and Member offer lessons in sustainable living that the world urgently needs. Preserving these valleys is a shared responsibility, requiring respect, care, and conscious action. As we leave, let's be inspired by their stories and strive to become better guardians of our planet. These hidden jewels are not just destinations, they are sacred spaces to cherish and protect for generations to come.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.